Welcome to Solarizer 2024, an unforgettable two-day journey into the world of solar PV design at the prestigious IIT Bombay during Techfest 2024. The event brought together aspiring solar enthusiasts, experienced professionals, and industry experts, creating a vibrant platform for learning and collaboration. From mastering the fundamentals of solar PV basics to hands-on training in PVSyst software and solar tracker, the sessions were packed with valuable insights and real-world applications. Our practical sessions provided participants with the opportunity to turn theory into action, empowering them with skills to tackle real-world solar challenges. Every participant left with more than just a certificate from Techfest IIT Bombay. They carried memories, knowledge, and inspiration to make a difference in the solar industry. Thank you to everyone who made Solarizer 2024 a grand success. Together, we're building a brighter, more sustainable future. See you at the next Solarizer.